So today we are in the capital city of Switzerland, which is home to the city of bears.
Oh, it's going to be so good. We're going to see some brown bears actually in the city and take you around the old bit. Let's go!
Sunny Chamonix. We're off to Bern, continuing this Alps trip. We're pretty close to Switzerland, so we're going to be in Switzerland pretty quick. The Swiss border awaits. Cheers everyone. This is the border.
There's no one here, so we're just going to carry on.
The slowest border cross. We're in Switzerland, people. 5 minutes in Switzerland. Incredible.
I'm loving it already.
Something tells me the scenery is going to be good.
Yeah.
We just had to pull off on the side of the road. Wow, first impression of Switzerland. Just unbelievable.
I don't know what to say apart from wow. We're only about 5 minutes over the border and already, look at that!
Most incredible view I think I've ever seen this side of the road. Motorway to Bern, and the views are just, well, they're just ridiculously good.
I know, I mean, when do you drive on a motorway next to a mountain?
Just 360 views of mountains. It's incredible.
It is. There's a waterfall.
Wow. My God, there's a waterfall.
There's a waterfall.
I don't know what the number is. Can we even see it?
Oh.
I've got it, kind of.
Oh wow, look at that! That's massive as well.
Just on the side of the E62. There's a waterfall.
Oh, it's huge!
Unbelievable.
It's 7:30 on Sunday morning, and the streets of Bern are deserted. We're just going to have a little wander into the middle of town this morning. We've got some good things lined up nearby. So today is a more quiet day. And at the moment it really is quiet. I don't think I've ever been in a city that seems this quiet. It's almost eerie. There's no one on the streets. Look at the size of this street. There's no one on it.
But most things are shut. Like Germany and Austria, all shut on Sunday.
Got a good view of the old town part of the city here, with the cathedral and another church in the foreground that has a really cool tower on it. There's the cathedral. I literally can't believe there's bears in the middle of the city.
I can't believe it either.
This is crazy.
The city of Bern has a close relation to the bear since its foundation. And the city owes its name to the animal. The bear appears on flags, fountains and buildings. It's all free as well, no entry fee.
Yeah.
This bear park.
Just here, isn't it? Right by the river. It's good that you can see them from the top level, and then you can walk down the stairs to right next to the river where we are now, and then you've got a completely different view of the bear park, so you can see them roaming around.
It's definitely fun. It's definitely worth checking out.
Yeah.
Nice pathway next to the river. You can have a nice walk.
We're in the old part of the city now, just across the river, and I think the whole area is a UNESCO site. There's definitely UNESCO buildings and churches here. There's a lot of good stuff to see.
I mean, I like these massive flags all the way down.
Yeah, they look cool, don't they? It's got a good feel about it.
Yeah, this is a very nice part of Bern.
Yeah.
We're in the old town.
There's a lot of sort of fancy looking shops. There's cafes, restaurants, bars down here. But it's got a nice feel to it. It feels spacious and kind of welcoming, I suppose. Yeah, I like it.
It's a good experience at 9:05 in the morning.
On a Sunday, when nothing's open.
So, this is how we're enjoying the city of Bern.
This view of this, I don't know what this is coming up. Some sort of clock tower or something. It's absolutely gigantic. Looks like it takes up half the street. We'll get a bit closer for a better look. Oh, this is the clock tower in the centre of the city from
1405.
1405. That's crazy.
Wow, that is 800 years. No, that's completely off, isn't it? 600 years.
And it's got mechanical clock and some kind of astronomical clock on it as well. There's the sun and the moon on the hands there. It's so pretty.
It's just like the whole street. It's very well crafted and painted and
colourful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. I love it.
This is the future, people.
An internet cafe. I mean, I didn't even know those things still existed. It is like stepping back in time.
I like it. This is a bit of a taste of Bern. Our first impressions are, yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
But next for us is an epic day, hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Coming tomorrow, we are going somewhere where the waterfall count could double.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
So if you've enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, ask a question.
Yeah, subscribe and follow the journey. There's plenty more to come, and we'll see you in the next one.